Let's see. Guys, my tank connectors. This one and that one. Okay. Guys, over here is another connector we're gonna give a spray. This carefully a bit out of the way, and then pinch this and lift it up. This is the tool I use for it. Works great. See? Then Opa. Okay. And over there I want to have a look at that terminal from my alternator. Yes, I'm gonna take it off. But first, I have to loosen this one. That's very easy. Okay. Because now we are here, and then I can do it, yes, and then this over there. Okay, there is a cap, see, there, this one. Yes. Okay, and that's 10. Okay. Nice. I have my wonderful ratchet. And with a bit of luck, yes. Yes. There he goes. But okay. Twilight Zone, this is a madhouse. Get that nut off. This one. Then. This one. See. It looks well. A bit of sandpaper. Okay. Yes, bottom side. Looks nice. Okay, then give it a spray. Okay. Okay. Yes. Then goes. Okay. Whoop. Yes. That looks nice. Right. A special ratchet. not too tight, but tight, guys. Huh? That wonderful cap. Up. Okay. Then the connector back in place. And that is like this. Click. Okay. Yes, then fasten it. Yes. Yes. Okay. Up. Yes. Sure that my quick couplers rubbers don't tear. Give them, of course, tiny bit of silicone grease. So now I'm absolutely sure that they slide in easy. This one too. Otherwise, it could be that in time it starts to leak. Yep. There it goes. Luckily, my tank is not full. Yes. Yep. And slide it in. More. Nice. That was easy. Over here needs to be a fuel line. It's a quick coupler. Click. Perfect. Then we have this one. Also click. Perfect. Then we have the two wires. Click. That wasn't good. This one, the yellow one, over there, and the red one over there. The next thing we're gonna do is to mount this one. Have a good look if you're at the right spot. I'm not gonna tighten it all the way at this moment, because on the other side, over here, we have his brother in arms. Hop. This lip should be in between there. Okay. Then have a look if we're at the right spot. Whip. There. Yes. Okay. Be sure this is in there. They should be torqued with 19. Click. Yeah, guys. This one. Feel it. Okay. This. Up. Yes. Other side. Click. Click. Okay. Okay. guys, they tend to oxidize, so I give them a tiny bit of grease onto it. Stuff that has grease doesn't rust that easy. Hop, this one, and this one. Okay, then it's Torx, 25. Okay, then we're gonna tighten them, but guys, very carefully, yeah. This one, this one, this one. It's all plastic fantastic, eh? Let's feel it. Yep, yep, yep. This one, yep. We take this one out. And let's see if that's clean too. Wait a minute. I see that. Up. Okay. Yes, then, okay. Now let's see, guys, if my lock is okay. This goes well. Okay. Yes. Okay. Let's move on. A Torx over here. Okay. Carefully, not too tight, eh? The next thing is this panel. Comes in between, underneath here, there, and there. And then, hopefully, yes, I got a Torx. Okay. And then a bolt over there. Bolt and a beautiful. Yep, there it goes. Not too tight, eh? You know it by now. Okay, then, okay. This one comes over there. Ah, yeah, and there. Yes. This. Okay. This one. Okay. Oops. Okay, not too tight. Check these. Check this one. Check this one. Okay. Okay, this one. Yep. Yes. Underneath here, above there. Okay. Okay, not too tight, but tight. Even kijken. Okay. Yes, guys. God, schrik me kapot. Lul. This and this should slide in there. See? There and there. This one goes in there. Okay. Then yes. Okay. Then this one goes over here. Okay. And we have one in the front. This one. Okay. So. Okay. This one. Okay. And this one. Okay. Check this. Okay. Check this one. Okay. And this one. On this side we have 3 of those wonderful mushroom things up. Guys, BMW made a special ratchet system so nobody can steal the cap of your reservoir, and this is just pressed on. Everybody can steal it. They just take it away. So I can't understand that. This one has 2. Okay, like this. Now, guys. But now we have that freaking fucking bar. It's not a nice one to mount. Can assure you that. But we have to do it. Safety straps. Now guys, that was my video. How to renew your throttle cable. Was it easy? It is if you don't have that freaking Hepco and Becker bar. Then it's work of maybe an hour. If you do it easy. I cleaned everything and I sprayed everything, so it took quite a while for me. And then to mount back that Hepco and Becker crash bar, God, guys. But I think I get over it in time. I hope you liked my video and I hope to see you the next time. And don't forget to subscribe at my channel. and share my channel with all your friends on your social media, on WhatsApp, on Instagram, on X, you name it, share it. Now, see you the next time.